For the longest time, the biggest frustration with AI music has been that it's frozen. You generate a track you love, but there's this one word or phrase you can't stand, and you're stuck. You have to either accept it as is, or throw away the whole song and start over. Well, that just changed. Controlla Voice just dropped a massive new feature called Swap Lyrics, and it completely changes how we think about songwriting. It lets you reach inside a recorded audio file, a full mix, or even a solo, and rewrite the lyrics without touching the original melody, vocal character, or the vibe. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I've dropped the link to Controlla Voice in the description, so you can head over there and follow along with me. Let's get into exploring it. We'll start with the most common scenario. You got a finished song, but you want to change the story. In sunoai, I've been working on this bedroom pop track called Polaroid Shoes.
I left my hair clip on your windowsill, cold pizza box and a paper bill. Your socks on my chair like they pay rent here. I stole your tea and I'm grinning, yeah.
It's got that nice, intimate indie vibe. I love it. But I do want to tweak a couple details in the first verse to make it feel more personal. First, we head to the Swap Lyrics tab at the top of the dashboard. It's a clean interface as usual. You have the upload and record buttons and some built-in examples to try out. And hey, it's worth noting that right now, this feature only works with English vocals. Here I'm uploading the WAV file of my track. Once it's in, the UI asks one important question. What type of audio did you upload? You get 3 options: solo vocal, layered vocals, or full mix. Since my track already has the drums, the bass, and the synth all baked in, I'm going on with selecting full mix. Now we hit transcribe. Controlla starts listening to the song, deciphering syllables, and mapping every word to its own rhythmic slot. And if you're new here, Controlla Voice is an AI platform built around one thing: the human voice. It completely changed the AI music landscape with its accurate voice cloning, and it's a tool I keep coming back to when I want real vocal performances and personal AI songs. And you can see it on screen now. It has nailed the lyrics perfectly. Here's the tip that gets you a professional result. Look at the syllable counter next to each line. This is your guardrail. You have the current number of syllables and the maximum syllables allowed for each line. To keep things sounding natural, your new lyrics should stay as close to the original syllable count as you can. The original line is, "I left my hair clip," and it's 5 syllables. So I'll click Swap Lyrics here, and I'm going to change it to, "I left my notebook," also 5 syllables. The next part of the line is, "on your windowsill," that's 5 syllables. I'm going to swap that out with, "on your tabletop." Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I matched the count in our changes, the AI never has to stretch or squish the audio, so the timing can stay perfectly tight. Okay, so those two, we changed manually. But what if you have the writer's block? You know that the words need to be changed, but the right words just don't come to mind. Don't worry. Controlla has a built-in fix for just that, called AI Rewrite. So I have this line here, and I need to rewrite this. I'm gonna hit the Swap Lyrics button for the line, and right next to the transcribed lines, you'll see the purple AI Rewrite button. Click it, and here you can describe the idea you have for this line. I'll type in a mood, feeling messy, but in love, vintage vibe. Then hit Give Me Ideas. And here's where the real value is. It doesn't just throw random poetry at me. It suggests lyrics built around the same syllable count it already detected in my melody. So every option is actually singable over the track. We have a couple options, and I'll pick this more casual one here. And just like before, it swaps straight into the recording. Now we have all our changes marked and highlighted. Now, for the voice, you can click here and go with your cloned voice or any other inbuilt voices, but for this demo, I'm gonna keep with the original voice. Let's proceed with clicking Swap Lyrics. Okay, here we are. Let's listen to it.
I left my notebook on your tabletop, cold pizza box and a paper bill. Your socks on my chair like they pay rent here. I found your hat and I'm dancing free.
That is completely seamless. Same breathy indie pop delivery, same melody, but this time it's a different message. Very impressive, and especially this could be a game changer if you make parodies, or if you're an artist who just wants to refine a demo without re-recording the whole thing. Before I let you go, 3 golden rules to make sure your swaps come out studio clean every single time. 1. Use clean audio. The AI works like a detective hunting for the melody in your recording, so make sure the song you upload is recorded in a quiet space. 2. Respect the syllable rule. I've said it already, but it's the #1 reason that most swaps turn out to sound glitchy. If the original line has 5 syllables, don't try to cram 10 words into that space. That syllable counter in the interface is there for a reason, so make full use of it. 3. Remember, it's still AI. Each generation is unique by design, so if the first one doesn't land, don't hesitate to regenerate. The best takes often come after a few tries. We've officially moved past the era where you just accept whatever the AI hands you. We're in the era of AI music editing. With Swap Lyrics, you're not a passenger anymore. You're the director. You can rewrite, remix, and reimagine any track you've got, whether that's fixing one word in a song you generated yesterday or completely reshaping the story of a finished demo. The control is finally back in your hands. The link to Controlla Voice is down in the description. Go and try this out for yourself. Honestly, the moment you swap your first line and hear it land perfectly, it just clicks. And if this walkthrough helped you level up your music production, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to keep diving deep into the tools that are actually useful for real-world music creation. I'll catch you in the next one.